And we're back. Guys, we are back for another amazing cooking session. Yes, and I'm here with Chef Vita, right? Gonna go right over there in a second. So, if you're also interested in a new vegetarian dish, then stick to this vlog because we are learning. Christmas is coming up and we need recipes we can try out at home. Isn't this true? All right, guys. It's gonna be good. Chef Vita, and we are back with another amazing recipe. Chef Vita,
bless up everybody. I know you guys enjoy these videos, but we're back with another one, and today we're actually going for that pasta for all the pasta lovers. So all the pasta lovers and vegans, look out for this one. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be very spicy, very flavorful pastas, and guess what, we're not going to break the pasta. But look out for
all right. I was going to break the pasta. All right, so.
Hot. Ready.
What's on the menu today?
So bless up everybody. You know it's your boy Chef Vita back here with another amazing vegan video. Adventure vibes right by the river streams in St. Anne, Jamaica. So today we're going to do a nice veggie pasta. The pasta consists of chickpeas, broccoli, herbs, and then we're going to complete that with a nice sauce that's made from sunflower seed, garlic, salt, pepper, parsley, all of that good stuff. The smoke is killing me, but you don't know. We're gonna do what we gotta do. So guess what? This pasta is gonna be amazing, flavorful, so stay tuned and let's get to it, okay?
Having avocado, the scallion, broccoli, garlic, onion, always the scotch bonnet, and we have some nice coconut milk in our calabash, and then some seasoning right here. Yes, some parsley, thyme, and scallion. Yes, people, you know about, what do you know about this fruit? Let me know in the comments if you know the name of this one. Alright, I'm gonna peel it. It's actually delicious. No, it's not an orange. Alright, so while we're waiting on those pastas to get ready, I'll have a little appetizer. I brought an appetizer, people. Yes. Alright, so you want some of that?
You wanna share with me?
Yeah.
Enlighten me.
Ugly. Yeah.
Trouble.
This fruit named ugly. Alright, so it's actually not the readiest one, but it's a little has between orange and grapefruit. It's delicious. Yes.
Salt. People, we just put in the whole grain pasta in the pot. It's bubbling, it's balanced. We didn't break the pasta. Don't do that. Let's see what's up. Pop it up. See right there. It's just bubbling right away. It's all getting all worked up. You don't know, the Vita Pasta is gonna be amazing, people. I'm just right here on the sideline just watching this bubbling away. Okay guys, it's that time of the video where the prepping has to be done. So right here we have our our broccoli, and then we have our onions. You don't know the thing, we go for the spice. We got the scotchy, hot. Then our garlic, you know what I mean? We're gonna actually knife skills it up, so stay tuned for that one, okay? All right, it's going down, people. Now is the time to actually give these broccoli a nice little burn in the pot. So we're gonna add the oil, make the oil get warm, and then we add the broccolis in. The pasta is all ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the next level to our Vita Pasta. So the broccolis are gonna do it first, and then after that we're going for the chickpeas, and then after that we combine all the flavors and the sauce with the pasta, including these. So watch out. So the broccolis are in, and so come check them out. So as you can see here, we want that little burn right there, little burn. We don't want to overcook them, we just want that little burn for that crunchy and flavorful vibes, okay? We're going just to give the flavors, the natural flavors, a little enhancement. So boom, we add a little salt to them.
Right, so we're adding the seasoning. Watch the style, people.
Cayenne pepper right now to the chickpeas for a little bit of spice. Black peppers. Salt.
This looks so yummy. I can't wait to try this Vita Pasta.
So yes guys, all of the herbs that we're just adding is just bubbling really nice and steady, as you can see. So now adding our sauce. This sauce was made with parsley, garlic, sunflower seeds, coconut milk, and spices. So you can create this sauce at home, but this sauce is to give it that nice garlicky pasta sauce finish with the chickpeas, the herbs, the broccoli, and the pasta. So what we did, we went ahead and blend this up really nice. So we're gonna add this after we add our broccoli, and then we add the pasta and let everything combine to a nice simmer. So let's see what's up.
This looks delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, that's another amazing inspiration for a pasta recipe. I'm gonna leave the details in the description so you can try at home. I can't wait to dig into this pasta. Chickpea, broccoli. Yum, yum, yummy. Yummy!
So we got the Vita Pasta right here, ready to sample, ready to go in. Here's a fork, and here you go, madam. Full joy.
Ooh.
Enjoy. Flavorful.
Nice! Oh my god, people, the time of truth. Yes, I changed it here because I needed to get my picture, my thumbnail picture. Yes, I'm gonna now eat. Yes, all right, let's see. Let's see what's up. Chef Vita, let's see. Oh my god, this is so good. Yo, I don't even like those pasta, I thought. The brown, what do you call them? Whole wheat?
Whole wheat pastas.
Whole wheat pastas? Ask my mother.
But this is the
I don't know
Vita.
what else, but the Vita pasta, first time I actually really enjoy those pasta. This is so
And
good,
the
guys.
garlic. You
Yeah,
see
the garlic.
the herbs,
Oh
the
my.
broccoli. You buck up on the broccoli with the crunchy. And the chickpeas.
Chickpea and the garlic. Yo, people,
Murder.
this is so good. I'm impressed. This-
I impressed myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why does it impress himself? Oh,
Bomb.
I didn't even get the broccoli yet.
You hit the broccoli
Yeah.
now? Murder road. Trouble over there. Yeah, man. Yes, people. It was a joy I'm getting in mind. Whoa. Loader road.
Shot.
Another
Yes,
one.
this is so good.
Another one. I tell you.
Finally, I get spice up my pasta recipes because my pastas is always I know, curry, coconut. But this now, the garlic, Vita pasta.
Because what I did was the sunflower seed. I put that with the garlic, the herbs, the salt, the oil, and then rub it in the blender. Bring in that garlicky, saucy vibe, that sunflower seed, give you that creamy finish.
Yeah.
And then after that, the turmeric now, just finish it off nice with the parsley. And then boom, a murder road with some help with little pepper. Balance.
People, try out this vegan pasta recipe at home. I can promise you, you will love it. Again, thanks for watching, and I catch you on my next adventure. Yay!
Like, share, and subscribe.
Exactly. Oh, guys, Vita has now his channel up and running. So head over there, check out his channel, and same thing, like, subscribe, and share.
You don't know the thing. Have a good one, and thanks for having me.
Nice.
Yes.
Eating healthy is fun. That's all I can say. Like, I enjoy it so much. This is so healthy.
Very true.
Yes, and we need to take care of our health, right? So eating healthy and make sure we're getting the right nutrition in our meals. That's definitely way to go. I'm very happy Vita is sharing these recipes with us, and then yeah, we can go home and try as well.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about